What I give you is real information, but you got to make sure that before you apply, your credit report is in order. You got your house in order, okay? Don't be coming to these banks looking like a hot mess, okay? I didn't send you looking like that, okay? If you need to understand what you need to look like on the credit profile, book a call with me. Let's go over your credit profile and let's do a consultation, because it's important for you to understand if now is a good time for you to apply for something. If you got a bunch of charge-offs and collections and derogatory accounts, the answer is no. And no, trade lines will not help you. Okay. You can get a couple secured loans that will help you. You can get some secure credit cards that will help you, but you can't use them. Okay. I'd never recommend using your secured credit cards because they're going to affect your credit utilization fast, especially when your secured credit card is only a couple $100, even $1,000. If you use $250 of $1,000, that's 25% right there. And we need to keep our credit utilization under 15%. Preferably under 10, but I give you a 5% wiggle room, which isn't much, okay? But back to the subject at hand here, they are going to require proof of income. So of course, they're going to want to make sure if we give you this money, you got a way that you can pay it back. That's why I always recommend you keeping your job to fund your business until your business can stand on its own 2 feet. You're going to need a reliable source of income for sometimes upwards of a couple years, even after you start your business, because your business is going to take some time to get out there. Okay. You might have a really good month or two and then boom, nothing. So that's why I say keep that source of income, whether that's a job or whether that's, another business, keep that source of income until your business can stand on its own 2 feet. And then when you do get a business, you want to make sure to put yourself on payroll. If you have not signed up for ADP payroll, I have left a link below. Put yourself on payroll so you can get pay stubs for yourself. There's no excuse, okay? You can use credit cards to pay your payroll with ADP. So you're earning rewards, points, all this great stuff. It's just insane. So again, make sure to sign up. I left the link below in the description. You're going to get 3% unlimited cash back for the first year, up to $10,000 with Farmers Insurance Federal Credit Union. Okay. In monthly spend, and 2.5% after year 1. Run it up. Run it up. Insurance agency loans. You can get a $100,000 business line of credit, small business line of credit, commercial real estate. They have 100% loan to value home equity line of credit for up to $350,000. I mean, oh my God. Did you guys understand what I mean? Right there. Right there. Game changer. Say it with me. Game changer. This information is game changing. Okay. Again, if you haven't by now, hit that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment below, guys. I need your engagement with this video. Let's go. On Federal Credit Union, one of my personal favorite credit unions. I actually have PenFed. They were one of the first credit unions that gave me more than a $500 credit limit. So shout out to PenFed many years ago when I was rebuilding my credit. Educated about credit, nor was I educated about banking. All that I knew was Chase, Bank of America, and every other bank that I passed by, driving down the street. I learned about all of these other banks that are out there that I could actually become a member with by simply making a phone call or applying online or making a donation. It was just insane because Bank of America and Chase, they didn't want to give me nothing, and I started going to these credit unions. That's when everything really changed for me, is when I started going to the credit unions, because they're known for giving higher limits. You can grow your limits over time, spend, pay, spend, pay. The one thing that you don't want to do is get an overdraft fee in your checking account or savings account, nor do you want to get a late payment. Those are the two things that you must avoid.